Node tool. You can add a node anywhere in the software to understand what happened there. For example, going to the tool and node tool. We have a simple node tool. Drag and drop and snap on any surface that you want. This is a node tool. In its settings, you can change the size of that. And here you can type anything that you want. Interesting. You can alignment it left, the center, or right. You can minimize that, and just the title will be appear here, or maximize that. You can change the color of that. Any color, and you can see this is on transparency. We can see the back of that. You can facing the camera. It means if you going in this way, it does not face the camera. If you activate facing camera, it always facing the camera. And this is an the update. This is an the part of the scene that you can see the note is there. Another interesting thing that is you can, if you go to the scene manager, if you open this, you have node base. You can change it individually, or the route, changing the route. Or you can add another node. Okay, changing the route, maximize that. And this is node. If you select this, you can change a node base, and if you select that, you can move the body of the node. And you can add any node that you want.